The Defense Acquisition Council Friday cleared proposals worth Rs. 45,000 crore to acquire 12 SU-30 MKI fighter aircraft and indigenous Dhruvastra short-range air-to-surface missile for the Indian Air Force among 9 platforms and weapon systems for the armed forces. A statement released by the Defense Ministry said that the DAC has granted acceptance of necessity to procure 12 SU-30 MKI aircraft with associated equipment from the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The DAC, which is headed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, is among the top bodies for clearing major capital acquisitions for defense. O is the first step in the long defense procurement process. Grant of an AO does not necessarily lead to a final order. A Russian origin fighter jet, the SU-30 MKI jets have had a good flight safety record. The IAF had inducted 272 of these jets since 1998. Around 10 SU-30s have crashed since 2010. Officials told the Indian Express that once procured and inducted, the IAF's SU-30 fleet will be back to the planned levels by replacing the aircraft lost over the years in training. The DAC also accorded OMS for the procurement of the Dhruvastra short-range air-to-surface missile, which is to be fired from the HAL-made Advanced Light Helicopters MKI. The precision-guided missiles were designed by the Defense Research Development Organization. The DAC also cleared proposals for avionics upgradation of the Dornier aircraft, which would improve the accuracy of operations for IAF. The DAC accorded the O for procurement of light armored multipurpose vehicles and integrated surveillance and targeting system aimed at enhancing protection, mobility, attack capability, and increased survivability of the Army's mechanized forces. Proposals for procurement of high-mobility vehicle gun-towing vehicles for swift mobilization and deployment of artillery guns and radars for the Army and next-generation survey vessels to enhance the Navy's capabilities in performing hydrographic operations were also cleared by the DAC. According to the Defense Ministry, all these procurements will be made from Indian vendors under relevant categories of the Defense Acquisition Procedure, which governs all capital acquisitions of the ministry. During the meeting, the Defense Minister stated that it is time to upgrade the ambitions towards indigenization. Singh said instead of a threshold of 50% indigenous content for indigenously designed, developed and manufactured projects, the aim should be a minimum 60 to 65% indigenous content. He asked the Chief of Defense Staff, Service Chiefs, Defense Secretary, and DG to work towards increasing the minimum indigenous content threshold in consultation with the Indian industry.